never tegi during winter time and summer time. Such lovely, beautiful. Well, right now I'm stepping, going down, but I need to be careful kasi baka mag-slide ako. Oh my god, I was so freezing. Oh my god, mga travel cats, and look at in here. Wow, look at that beautiful snow. And it might be tomorrow is gagawa pa rin akong vlog. Syempre pag winter na ganito, we craving a food. What kind of food we craving? Of course yung mga hot foods like sinigang, tinola, spicy, or sometimes ramen lang ang katapat natin. Alright, so mga Java guys, good afternoon, good evening to each everybody. Yes, that's a lovely day because winter in here in Korea. And of course this is, I think, the third week of 24th today of the January. And of course 2 weeks more is February na. Kumusta na ko po? We always inspired, never expired. And of course bit more to right now is imagine, and the snow is now right in here in California. This one is so brilliant and it was so fancy. Syempre sa ating mga Java Carlos on besides that, Mindanao, magandang morning evening po sa inyong lahat. And of course look at the beautiful medyo tahimik for today. And of course right in here left to the right, I'm gonna go to the park, yeah, to show you and explore you. And of course adventure tayo. Itong adventure tayo for today, and because I think tomorrow bago siya mag-melt. Wow, look at that. It was so beautiful right in here. Ooh. Wow, I can't it tastes like just taste. So I have gloves. Hindi pa pantay ang aking gloves, but it's alright. I'm gonna tabit my camera. Alright, here we go. Right in here, so I'm gonna go to the park to show you the beautiful more snow. Right now, look at that, it crystallized and it was so beautiful and it was clean. And it might be like tomorrow hindi na siya malinis kasi hapakan na yan. And of course I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna show you in here. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today is a very special day. Syempre dito sa aking video, dito sa aking vlog, ikaw lagi bida. Yes, many times na ako nagpunta rito sa park. Every time is snow, almost like 3 decades na. Wow, look at that, like left to the right. That imagine that a while ago is nag-vlog din ako. I heard something, parang di mo nag-ghost hunting. Why, it's really like a super cold. And imagine like you feel like you are in Alaska. Oh my god, siyempre habang nag-snow adventure tayo, and I need something like a hot drink, or I'm craving a coffee because it's really freezing and cold. And habang umiikot ako in here, wow, it's really nangingilabot ako. It's really freezing and really like a super cold. And imagine that they start the snow around like 7:30. Yeah, 7:30 they start the snow. Wow, look at that. Tomorrow it's look more beautiful, but I think later on it will be more and more snow. So this all I'm gonna do is I wanna get a coffee. I have a 501. So right in here, mag-coffee muna ako. Break time lang pag may time. And for me, this was so brilliant and it was so fancy. You know what? Because okay, and every time I make a video, and every time I wake up in the morning, I'm always meet my best friend, this one. So I choose sugar, coffee, and cream. So I need to put back my gloves. Yes, kumusta na kayo po? Siyempre kare-kare ka pampano, ay audio po okay ko nga. And it's really got super cold. I wanna put on my, it's okay, I wanna put on my hoodie. It's really cold and freezing. Okay, alright, okay, here we go. Okay, I think that's good. More. I think it's because it's really cold and the wind blow. You can feel almost like minus 20. Okay, here we go. And here's my coffee. Ayusin ko lang yung hoodie ko is because like it's really cold and I feel when the winds blow it's really more cold and I feel, oh my god, I think that's good. O, alisin ko na nga. Yes, kasi 8 minutes lang ito. So, gonna go, be ready ang ating ice adventure. Yeah, it's no ice adventure right in here in KR. It feel like I'm in Alaska, but I'm only in here sa Chungmin Central. This one is the, what you call that, park. Wow, look at that. It looked like crystallized and wala pa naglaro. I think they have some kids they play in here a while ago. Wow, look at that. Pwedeng ice snowball, di ba? Oh, look at that. Pwede ka maglaro. And of course, wow, such a lovely, beautiful. Alright, here we go. Syempre. Oh, I got almost like 4 minutes. I'm gonna take a look over there. It might be like, I think like on the trees. I wanna go look more closer sa mga trees. Lalapit ako sa mga trees. Yes, in Spain they have some snow. In Japan, in Taiwan, in China, in the Philippines we don't have it. So a lot of people they wondering to come abroad. And of course, oh my god, it's really good. I like it. And when you step on, like on the ground, you feel, you can feel it like the snow. So I'm gonna go little bit more closer with my coffee. Lalapit ako sa mga puno. Oh my god, it's kind of little bit like oh no, pababa kasi siya eh, but baka mahirapan ako. It might be mahirapan ako, so I'm gonna, oh, it's freezing and it's cold. It feel like minus 24. Yeah, imagine that. It's really cold and freezing at the month of February and more cold. So I'm gonna show you around in here. Even although like 10 minutes or 8 minutes, that was so brilliant and it was so fancy for me. And look at that. Yes, right in this side, wala pa. Yes, wala pa nakakaapak and it's look more clean. Hindi siya karamihan, it's not a lot, but it's okay. It's really more close. So I wanna go, dandahan lang ako kasi baka, what you call that, parang nakakita ako ng bata. Nilalaro na ata ako dito. But it's okay, look at the snow. And my snow adventure right in here in KR at the month of end of the January, it's really like more snow. And February is more and snow. Yes, a lot of my Jari cuts will always inspired, never expired. And of course, the snow right in here in KR. Yes, wala tayo ng Pyeongchang. Yes, pwede tayo maglaro ng ice skating. We can go into Nami Island. Oh, look at that. Wow. Like in this side, it's look more beautiful and it's look, oh my god, I feel I'm freezing. And I'm gonna upload this for today. Wow, look at that. Imagine that. Like you step on the ground and you feel it, the beautiful snow. It's more and cold. Yes, mga Jabber Cats, I'm freezing. I would like to take you a walk and I give you like more adventure, but I'm freezing. It might be like tomorrow. Hindi ko na nakaya ang lamig, but I need to go back na to my place ba. And the good thing is I have a coffee. Wow, it's really good. Like on the road, yan, putik-putik na siya. But in this side, it's look clean and brilliant. Wow, mga Jabber Cats, it's look more beautiful. Like left to the right, there is no right in here in KR. Well, mga Jabber Cats, thank you so much for everybody. And of course, this is Shilong Sam on our Facebook page. Don't forget to follow me and share the love tonight in there. And right in here on my YouTube channel, Korean Angel. The Ice Adventure is no adventure in KR. Yes, follow me and you can subscribe my channel, and of course you can share the love tonight. Korean Angel, South Korea, winter and snow. Bye bye.
Sorry, it's DJ.
I'm freezing. I want to stay more. I would like to stay more, but it's really cold. I can't. Thank you everyone.